Hello everybody, I have learned a very cool time and travel calculation. My mother taught me this and I wanted to make a video on it. She showed me how to calculate time and the time difference between countries and travel durations. I'll be making a video on time zones tomorrow. But I found a travel duration problem very exciting. So I'm going to make a video on it now. Hope you enjoy. My best friend and I took a flight to Singapore to meet his father. Our flight took off from Bengaluru at 23:55. I arrived at Singapore at 8:15. Our return flight took off from Singapore at 7:40 and arrived at Bengaluru at 10:30, which was the longest travel duration. As you can see, there are two time zones, Indian and Singapore. We cannot calculate in different time zones, so we'll have to convert either Singapore to Indian or Indian to Singapore. I will do Singapore to Indian because I'm an Indian citizen. So, Singapore is 2 hours and 30 minutes ahead of India. (8:15) minus 2 hours 30 minutes, because Singapore is ahead, that's why 2 hours and 30 minutes minus it'll give an Indian time. 5 minus 0 will make 5, of course, and 1 minus 3 we cannot do, so we'll have to do some borrowing. But this is not normal borrowing, since it is hours and minutes. So 8 minus 1 hour, which will make it 7 hours. But instead of only giving 1 to the next part, we are giving 6. Because 1 hour is 60 minutes. So then this will make 7. And now 7 minus 3 makes 4. And then 7 minus 2 will make 5. Now 5:45 is Indian time for the outbound flight. What do you call it? Outbound flight. So 23:55 can be turned into 5:45. 23:55 can be turned into, once if you turn back from a 24 hours clock, if you add 5 minutes, it actually turns into 0:00:00 or 12 clock, because 23:55 equals 11:55. So it's 0:00:00. And that to 5:45 will be 5 hours and 45 minutes. But we had 5 minutes from adding, so that will become 5 hours and 50 minutes. I know this calculation because it's kind of a little bit easy for me. So that is the travel time for an outbound flight. But now for the returning flight. Sorry, I had a mistake. Return. Return. We had a problem there. Return flight. Singapore is now 7:40, and India is now 10:30. And we can do the same technique which we used to make the Singapore time to Indian time, minus 2 hours and 30 minutes. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 3 is 1, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So now it's 5:10. But for this one, it's kind of easy. You just have to minus 5:10 from 10:30. 10:30. Oh wait, I did a mistake. Yikes! I wrote 10:10 and 10:30. 10:30 minus 5:10 will make 0. 2. 5:20. So 5 hours and 20 is the travel time. So the outbound flight is the longest one, and the return flight is the shortest one. And that will end it for this video. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you guys next time.